In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Zoho calendar. Sharing a calendar can streamline collaboration and keep everyone in the loop regarding important dates and events. Let's dive in and break it down step by step. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Zoho calendar account. Open up your web browser and go to the Zoho calendar website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials and sign in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one to follow along with this tutorial. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to select the calendar you want to share. In the Zoho calendar interface, you'll see a list of your calendars on the left-hand side. Look through your list and click on the specific calendar that you wish to share. This will bring up more options related to that particular calendar. With your calendar selected, you'll notice three little dots that appear next to its name. Go ahead and click on those dots. These dots represent a menu of additional options or settings. Clicking them will open up a drop-down menu where you can find the Share option. When you click on Share, a new window will pop up asking you to enter the email address of the individual or the group you want to give access to. Enter this information carefully to ensure you're inviting the right people. It's important to note here that you can share your calendar with multiple people at once by simply entering multiple email addresses or by entering the name of a group. After entering the email address or group name, the next choice you'll need to make involves permissions. Zoho Calendar gives you flexibility when it comes to what others can do with your calendar. You'll see a list of permission options such as view event details and more. Decide what level of access you are comfortable granting. This can range from simply allowing them to view the calendar to granting them more control over event management. Finally, once you've made your decision on permissions, review everything one last time to ensure accuracy. If you're satisfied with your settings, go ahead and click on the Share button. This final step will officially share your calendar with the individuals or groups you've specified. And there you have it, your calendar is now accessible to others, fostering better communication and planning. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to share your Zoho calendar. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content for additional tech tips and tutorials. Happy scheduling!